Every one of us, either men or women, want a healthy and glowing skin, and for this, we are in search of natural skin products. So, if you are one of those who are in search of natural skin products for the treatment of wrinkles, acne, or even sunburn, then this video is for you. Here in this Be Nutritive video, I will discuss some useful applications of apple cider vinegar for glowing and healthy skin. Apple cider vinegar contains fruit acids such as acetic acid and malic acid, which are mostly responsible for the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Now, the question arises, how to use apple cider vinegar for your face to look young and have glowing skin? Here are some ways for using apple cider vinegar as a natural facial product. Some of the methods may not be suitable for you if you have sensitive skin. So, test these products on the back of your ears or consult any healthcare provider before using them. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar as face wash. Oil, dirt, and other particles may be removed from your face by washing your face every day. Utilizing a face wash or cleanser is the greatest approach to clean your skin. Apple cider vinegar works well as a face cleanser to remove bacteria and dirt from the skin. To prepare a natural face wash at home using apple cider vinegar, mix 1/4 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and use this natural face wash to clean your face or skin softly instead of using harsh soaps or chemicals which cost your skin health and your pocket as well. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar as toner. Toner is a skin care product that helps to tighten and cleanse the skin while also protecting it from germs and other pollutants. Apple cider vinegar can be used topically as a toner because of its astringent property. To make apple cider vinegar into a skin toner, mix 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 2 parts of purified water. You may use a cotton ball or pad to apply this mixture to your face after washing your face with a face wash or cleanser. Alternatively, you may spray the mixture evenly over the skin using a spray bottle. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar for spot treatment. The quickest approach to stop rogue blemishes as soon as they arise is with a spot treatment. Simply dab a tiny quantity of apple cider vinegar into the area using a cotton swab or cotton ball that has been moistened. Because apple cider vinegar has strong antimicrobial properties, it could aid in delaying the complete development of that bothersome acne. These are some of the ways to treat your skin problems and have glowing skin using apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may be a popular addition to your skin care products because of its amazing healing properties for your better skin. That's all for today's video about the usage of apple cider vinegar for the healthy and glowing skin. Hope so you all will like this video. If you have any queries, comment your query in the comment box. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Be healthy, be nutritive.